This is part of my garden. I have here are eggplants. Surrounding the eggplants are marigolds. These are onions and jute plants or saluyot or molokhia, surrounded by marigolds. Vegetable garden. This is a tomato plant. Actually, they were only small when I planted them about a week ago. Another tomato plant. And here are the collections of tomato plants. It's what's this one? This is a berried tomato. On this side are the berried tomatoes, and on this side are the, what's this one? Florence, Italy tomatoes. Also, surrounding the tomato plants are onions, marigold, and basils. Okay, let's go on this side here. These are the peppers. This is the Thai pepper. From here, I have quite a few of Thai pepper. And these are the Tabasco peppers. And of course, they are surrounded by onions and some marigolds. Here, oh, what is this? Okay. Here are more Tabasco peppers, marigolds, and those are beans, green beans to be exact. Okay, on this side these are the Arapaho peppers, long Arapaho peppers, I should say, and some marigolds, and those are the cucumbers. Here are eggplants, marigolds, and bitter melons. Okay, on this side here, more eggplants, marigolds, and bottle gourds. Okay, this side, same thing as the other one. Eggplants, marigolds, and bottle gourds. What's this? Why is this? Huh. Strange. Where did this one come from? Let me put it this way. These are cayenne peppers, marigolds, and more green beans. This, I still have to prepare this, and there's dill weed growing in this pot, and I have to weed this area, and maybe, I'm not sure what to plant in here yet. Maybe more herbs. And here is an empty planter. What I plan on planting here are more dill weeds and probably cilantro. I still have to add more soil here. Here are, seems like my snap peas are not very successful. These are snap peas. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are growing right now. Of course, marigold, parsley, and marigold. And over here, eggplants, eggplant, marigold, bitter melon, and the same thing on this side here, just bitter melon and marigold. Over here is an eggplant, which I think it's not doing really well because it's turning yellow. Have to check that one out. Here is more tomatoes and marigold. Tomatoes, more tomatoes and marigold. Same thing on this planter. And same thing on here. The same thing here. And the same thing here. And that's it for my vegetable garden. And still a big mess here right now because we are building a pergola. And oh, by the way, this is my mulberry tree, which is starting to grow leaves right now. One leaf. This is the columnar apple and cherries. Cherry tree, I should say.